Hi, I'm Jason, and today I'm doing a demonstration on your control panel and also on your heating and hot water on gas and electric. So first of all, we'll concentrate on the control panel. In the top position is pressed into the top, everything is all switched off. So first of all, to turn the control panel on, master, switch it on like so. Above that, you got the rocker switch, auxiliary and vehicle battery. In the middle is off at the moment, so all the power in the back area, you always want to run it from the auxiliary, which is a leisure battery. You can, if you wish, in emergency, if you're wild camping, switch the power to be run from your vehicle battery, but you don't want to leave it on too long because then you run your vehicle battery flat. So always make sure L for leisure. As we move along, at the bottom is the awning light on the outside, awning light off. To the left of that is your water pump. Water pump on. The green light will show next to it, says pump run. By pressing this on, this pressurises the water from your fresh water tank to your taps, etc. When you do put the pump on, you've always got to make sure you've got fresh water in the tank, because if there's no water in your tank and you put your pump on, your pump will just keep pumping, eventually it'll just run dry. Above that is the interior lights. Again, you can walk around your motorhome now and turn all your lights off individually. At the very top is your water. So you've got an indicator. You've got the white line. At the very top is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, running up to 16. This is showing the voltage of your batteries. So as it's switched on at the moment, leisure battery, it's showing your leisure battery is just 12 volts. If you want to check your vehicle battery, switch the indicator to vehicle, and it's now telling your vehicle battery is 11.5 volts. Underneath is a blue line. This is your fresh water check, and to check your fresh water, you've got the water which is indicated just here. So you press the rocker switch at the bottom and it's showing that your water is empty. On your van as well, you've also got a wastewater tank which is grey water. When your grey water's full, where it says waste full, a little light will light up there to indicate that your wastewater wants emptying. Underneath here is your heating. So basically all it is, this is your heating on electric and also heating on gas. So we start to the left hand side, the arrow's pointing to the 0, that is off. Above that you've got 1, 2, 3. This indicates what power you want to bring in to charge. So basically all it is, 1 kilowatt is drawing in 1 kilowatt electric from site, 2 kilowatts is drawing in 2 kilowatts electric on site, 3 kilowatts is drawing in 3 kilowatts from site. Basically all it is, the more kilowatts you've got coming in, the heating obviously is going to get warmer as quick because you're drawing in more kilowatts from the site. Some sites don't allow to use 3 kilowatts because it's using a lot of power. So when you do go on site, if you just ask them obviously what kilowatts you can use, they'll indicate you can use 1, 2 or 3. If you're wild camping, the arrow pointing to the gas symbol. This is now gas only, because obviously when you're off site you don't want to use your electric, you just want to use gas. When you select a gas or you use 1, 2 or 3 kilowatts, you then come to the right hand side to set your temperature setting. The more you bring your arrow around, the warmer your blown air is going to be. In between the gas and the off mark, you got fan. This is for an hot day, which is just cool air, so it blows cool air out for you. Underneath here, you got water. As you can see, it's highlighted just at the top. Water on gas, water on electric. So basic is, again, rocker switch, 0 is off. Press the button in the top, that's hot water on at 50 on gas. Rocker switch at the bottom, pressing at the bottom is hot water on at 70 on gas. To the right hand side is electric when you're on site, again rocker switch. In at the top, that's hot water at 40 centigrade. Hot water at 60 centigrade. Thank you very much. Any questions that you need, if you're at home anywhere, don't hesitate to give me a call on 01593 303 140. My name's Jason and I'm always at the phone for you. And have a great time when you start to go out at it. Thank you.